a quickie version of lump crab imperial. I'll start with 1 egg, since I'm going to be doing a small batch, I really don't need an entire egg. That didn't work. Crab meat, mayo, some sugar, Old Bay, squeeze a lemon, has a little bit of lemon zest in it also. Then give that a nice little stir. Also gonna put in some finely chopped arugula. Most people use flat parsley. Mix it up with a little chopped arugula. Put this in to a nice oven safe dish. It's a little bit of a crispy topping. Stick that in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. Imperial lump crab, which to be honest I've never made before, and I didn't have a recipe to follow since I was making such a small batch, but I made some crispy little bread to go along with it. Looks like it's set up really nice. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh wow. It's very hot. Kind of souffle like. Oh, this is delicious. If you like, you could put a little hot sauce on this. It'd be excellent, but I'm on a hot sauce free diet. Plus, I got a little spice from the shrimp. I'm really enjoying the subtlety and flavors of this dish. It's a fun dish to make and really good flavor. I like the fact that I substituted arugula. You can really taste it in there. I think I'm on to something.